Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today I will present our project of the travel emergency. First of all, I want to present our group member. First name is Muhammad Saharuddin bin Azman. It is me. Second one is Ahmad Fitri bin Ibrahim. And then Ikmal. And number 4, the last one is Muhammad Ahmed Shafiq bin Abdul Hadi. Okay, next we are going to proceed our project. I want to show you our use case diagram. This is our use case and this is our character. We have three character. First one is marketing manager, staff and customer. Marketing manager and staff is stakeholder. And then this is our use case: login, manage package, register customer, generate report and feedback. Login can be by marketing manager and staff. Manage package can be used by the staff. Register customer can register the package, and marketing manager can see the report, and customer can give feedback of the system. This is our use case diagram. And then we proceed to the presenter one, who is me, Muhammad Saharuddin bin Azman. I will be present two use case, which is logging and manage package. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, the first one is I want to show you our software process model. We use a leveraged model, which is prototype. This is the steps. The first one is quick plan, modeling quick design. We model our design and the user interface, and then we build a prototype. And if the prototype is not satisfied with the customer stakeholder, and then we will make again until it is satisfied by the stakeholder. And then we deployment, delivery and feedback, and then that's all. This is our software process model. Next we go to the objective of our project. The first objective is to apply the software process model in our project. Second one is to finish our project in proper manner and steps. And the third one is to apply what we have learned in the class into our project. Then we go to our first use case specification, which is login. I will tell you about the basic flows, about the alternative and the exception flows. Okay, the first one of the login basic flow is, the first one is the use case starts when the admin chooses to log in as client, and then the admin will enter the email and there will be an exception, and then the admin chooses to continue. The system will verify the email whether it is correct or not, and then the system will navigate the admin to choose the managed package. And then we go to the alternative. This is the alternative one. Alternative flow is admin can choose to manage package or see the report. We give admin two choices, which is manage package or see the report. And then exception flow is email enter is not correct, which is the system will notify the user that the email enter is not correct. We will go further about the design interface and the prototype later. This is the interface design of the use case of login. This is a login. You can see the login. The admin will click the login and then it will appear like this. Admin will enter the email and click the continue, and then it will give admin whether want to choose manage package or want to choose report. And then this is the basic flow. This is basic flow and the alternate of the use case specification. And then we go to the exception of the login. This is if the email of the user, if the admin give incorrect email, the system will ask the user, please enter valid email again, and then until the admin give the correct email, it will navigate the admin to give to make option whether want to choose to manage package or want to see the report. So, and then we go to the testing. Here we have one case testing about the valid email and invalid email. If the user give a valid email, which is first the login, the user need to click the login menu, and then the system will ask the admin user to enter the correct email, which is travelagency@agency.com, and then it will click continue. The system will prompt the user to choose manage package or review report, and it will pass. And then invalid one is admin click menu, but he gives an invalid email, which is ZZZ, and it will display error email. And then the actual result is user is navigate to the home page, and then it will pass. Okay, so I think this is all for the use case of login. Later, I will show you the prototype of the login. Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is the prototype of login. I will show you the prototype of login, the use case of login. Uh, First one is what you must do is admin will click this client login, and then it will appear like this. And then admin need to enter the email. Let's say the correct email is travelagency@agency.com. And then after the admin enter the email, there will, if admin enter another email, let's say ZZZ, it will notify the admin to enter a valid email again. And then I will show you what will happen after the admin login. The admin will click continue, and then it will pop up and welcome the admin and ask the admin to choose whether to manage package or see the report. I will this only the prototype of the login. Okay, that's all for the login. Thank you. Hello, welcome game. This is the I will explain to you the second use case, which is manage package. This is the use case specification of the manage package. Before that, um, before this manage package is login with I have explained before. Now I will explain to you the basic flow, the alternate flow, and the exception flow of this manage package. Okay. The first step is the use case start when the user choose to create package of travel agency. The system will prompt the user to choose number of package between 1 to 4 package that they want to create. And then let's say user choose 2, and the system accept the information. User will provide one or more destination for each package. The system will prompt the user to add more information about the destination. The information is price, accommodation, special activities, image of each package. And then the system will verify the information entered by the user. And then user will choose review, and there will be an alternate, and the system will save the information and user choose next. System will display the package. This is, and then we go to the alternate flow. Alternate flow, there are A1 and A2. User first A1, user requests to edit the type of package. User will choose the package that he wants to edit. User change the information about the package, and then system will update the packages. A2, user choose back to choose the number of package that he wants to create. System will navigate to the choose package page. And then the exception flow is user does not fully fill up the information and put negative value for price. System will display the error. Okay. Then we go to the interface design of the managed package. After the user log in, user will need to choose either want to create package or edit package. User will choose create package, and then the system give the user option furthermore how many package that he want to create. Let's say user will choose 2, and then he will display 2 package. If user click 1, the system will display 1, 3 package, 4 and 4 package. And then after that, user will choose preview, and then it will display the what that the user enter display here. And then if the user want to edit, it will click edit, and it will be like this. User um, will choose which package that he want to edit. Let's say he want to edit this and this, and then it will be like this again. And the exception is if the user does not fill in the blank, fill the in the blank, the system will notify the user to please fill in the blank. If the price is negative, please enter the right value of price, and then the user will click preview again to show the correct package that he has created. That's all for the uh, design, and then we will go to the prototype. Thanks. Hello. Okay, this is the prototype of the managed package. After the user log in and choose to go to the managed package, and then the system will navigate the user to this package. Now the system will give option to the user whether want to create package or edit package. Let's say the user will choose to create package, and then he will click enter, and then the system will give the user option how many package you want to create. The user can choose 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's say in this system, for example, I will choose 2 package only, and then the user will click 2. Okay, and then the system will navigate the user to create the package. I have 2 package here, and I will enter all this information below. The first package I want to create Pulau Langkawi, and then the activities snorkeling. I will choose snorkeling. Accommodation maybe 4 nights or 5-star hotel. And this is the validity. Validity will not appear in the system, and then I will give, let's say, M199 location Langkawi. Okay, here I will choose Pulau Sipadan. Oh, oh, Pulau Sipadan. Activities, snorkeling, accommodation, same 5 nights, 5-star hotel, and then validity, and then the price I will choose 300. Here Sabah. Okay, after the user finish all the information, the user will click preview. Let's say I do not enter this box, and then I will choose submit. Yes, the system will ask the user to please fill out this field again. Uh, And then to show the package that I have been put, I will choose preview, and the system will navigate us. This is what I have. Right. Okay. Here I have another opinion when I want to edit the text I have added, or want to go to next. I'll choose, if I choose edit, I can rewrite again. I can fill in the blank again, fill in the information again, and then this will be back to choose. This button is help the user to choose again how many package he want to create, and then I will choose preview, and then I will choose next, and then this is the vacation, the package that I have created. Okay, so in this use case I have to manage package. In this use case manage package, I have to create package and edit package. So this is the prototype. Okay, then we will go to next prototype, which is register package. Okay, that's all from me. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ikmal Bahari bin Abdul Halim. Okay, now I explain you about the register use case. For the first step of the basic flow of the register use case, which is the use case starts when the user enter website as a guest. The system will navigate the user to the home page. For the second step, the user choose the package page. The system will provide the package review. For the third step, the user choose the package. The system will show the information about the package. For the first step, the system will prompt the user to enter their information, which are name, phone number, email, number of participants, cards number, CVV, and also the system will provide the date that the user can choose the date that they want. The fifth step, the user enter required informations. The system will verify the informations. For the sixth step, the system provide a preview for the user. For the exception flow of the use case, for the first exception is informations entered are not complete, which the system will notify the user, and also the system will ask the user to re-enter the missing informations. For the second exception, which is number of participants invalid, the system will ask the user to re-enter the number of participants. For the design interface, for the register page, which need for the user to enter information is name, email, phone number, card number, and CVV. After that, they click submit. If they want to see the preview about the information that they just enter, click on the button preview. This is the preview page that will show them all the information that they just enter. If they enter wrong information or leave the blank for the information column, the error will display fill in the blank. Okay, for the testing, for the valid number of participants, for the first step is navigate to choose the package page. Click on the package, enter informations. For the test data for the valid number of participants, which is 3, click on register button. The expected result is user should be able to register. And the actual result, the user is asked whether to see the preview about the information entered or not. Status pass. For the invalid number of participants, the user navigate to choose package page. Click on the package, enter number of participants. For the invalid number of participants, test data is -3. Click on register button. The system display error invalid. And the actual result is user is asked to enter number of participants. The status is pass. For the second testing is which is valid informations. The user navigate to choose package page. Click on the package, the provide valid information, which is the test data is ZZZ. Click on register button. The expected result is user should be able to register. The actual result, user is asked whether to see preview about the information entered or not. The status is pass. For the invalid information, navigate. The user is navigate to choose package page. User click on the package. User enter the information. which for the test data for the invalid information, the user leave the column for the information blank space. The user click on register button. The system will display error. Please fill in the blank. The actual result is user is asked to re-enter the information. The status for the testing is pass. Okay, for the register use case, the user will navigate to the home page. After that, they can click the button vacations. After they click the button vacations, the system will provide for the user for about the package preview. The user can see all the information about the package, and if they want to choose this package, simply click on the button book now. If they want to change their mind and choose another package, click on the button back and click on this button book now for the another package, and then you need to enter the information required, which is for the first name, phone number, email, the date. The date you can choose from this interface, which is 13 August. Number of participants, card number, after that you click on the button submit. Okay, if the user want to see the preview about the information that they just enter, click on the button preview. The system will show all the information that they just enter. This. After that, you can click on the button next, and we proceed to the feedback page. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fitri Ibrahim. Today I will explain about the feedback use case specification, and this is my basic flow. The first step, the system will prompt the user to rate and comment the program, and this is will provide A1, A2 and A3. The second step, the user rate and the comment the program. The system will send the rating and the comment to admin page to make a report, and the user click home. The system will end. And this is my alternate flow. A1, the user choose not to give comment and not to rate by click home, and the system will end. The second one is A2, user do not rate the program by click home after give a comment. The system will send the comment to admin page to make a report, and the system will end. The third one is user choose not to give a comment by click home after rate the program. The system send the rating to admin page to make a report. The system will end. And this is my design. The first type for feedback will start after the register package. To be accurate, after the user click button next in the register package. And in the feedback, we give 4 choices for the user. First one is the user didn't want to give a rate and a comment to the program. The second one is the user want to give a rate but not to comment the program. The third one is the user want to comment but not to rate the program. And the last one is the user want to rate and comment the system. And I will show you the example for the comments and give a rate. For example, I give an excellent for performance and also give a good for efficiency. And I want to comment the system. For example, I want to comment best system ever. And I just have to click here and it will write the best system ever. And after the user click home, the system will end.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Shafiq bin Abdul Hadi. Today I will explain about the tribal report use case and the interface design. In our use case specifications, we have the basic flow. The step number 1 is the admin will select the system to generate the report, and then the system will prompt the user to select the type of report. The step number 2, admin will select the payment report and it will connect to the alternative flow number 1, and the system will prompt the user to choose view the report and it will connect to alternative flow number 2, and then the system will end. In the alternative flow, the first step is the admin select the feedback report, and the alternative flow number 2 is the admin select to print the report, and the system will print the report. It is our interface design. The interface design of the report, we have the two buttons. The first one is the payment and the second one is the feedback. If you select the payment button, it will connect to the payment page. The payment page contains name, user ID, status and the password. At the below of the payment page there will be two buttons. For example, there will be two buttons, print and back. If you select print, and they will print the table, the payment table. If you select back, it will go back to the report page. And the last one in the feedback. The feedback contains the user ID, comments and rating, and it also have the print and back button, same as the payment button. Okay, let's continue to our prototyping report design. Okay, in the report page we have the visitor counter and the calendar, just the application only. And the main thing is we have the feedback report button and the payment report button. If you select the feedback report button, they will show us the table that contains user ID, comment and rates. For example, Alibu user ID Alibu25, comment very nice system and rating 4 star. If we select the back button, and it will go back to the report page. So we select the payment report button. Okay, in the payment record, it will show us the name, user ID, status and password. For example, Lim Chu Sung, user ID Lim23, status field and the password we didn't show because it is very secure. So if we want to print, we select the print, and if you just want to view, you can go back to the report, or you can go back to the home button.
That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Thanks.